fake. The favorite station, call indoctrination. Guaranteed with the latest course on the latest wars will keep you on your mind. All is well, but it's crap they sell to fill our empty lives with brain that bull, brain that shit, or lousy fill, work full of it. All is well, but it's lies that dull. News fake, the truth and snake, our favorite station, call indoctrination. Why do we stare and disconnect from life when we can talk and learn to communicate again and find out the importance of a world not so square? Postal is what they need, but passive lives is what they breed. Remote control is what they need, but we're forgetting how to read. Remote control is what they need, each other is who we both be. Remote control is what they need, and what we kneel, they will be. Remote control is what they need, if we stop thinking we will bleed. Remote control is what they need, and what we follow, they will lead. Remote control. Remember this, TV is remote control, and you are not the one holding it.